So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this really nice zoom effect inside of the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So inside of DaVinci here, the first thing that you need to do is come up here to the top left corner to the effects page. Then come down here to effects, and at the very top you can see adjustment clip. So go ahead and drag that down onto your timeline here over whatever clip you're going to be using. Go ahead and click on the adjustment clip and then come up here to the top right corner to the inspector. So once you're here, you're going to see all of your normal controls that you'll see on a regular clip. So what we need to do is go ahead and make a keyframe here at the very beginning of our adjustment clip. And then I usually come forward about a second, and then you just need to zoom back in. I will usually do about 1.1 to 1.2 depending on how long you want your zoom to go. All you have to do is go further along the adjustment clip and then make your keyframe to make the zoom longer. So now once we have done that, you can see we have a very simple zoom effect across this 1 second of our clip. But we can make this look a lot better in just a few other steps. So click on your adjustment clip here, come up to the top left to the keyframe editor. Now usually it will be selected on this right option, but you can just come over here to be able to find curves. Now you can see this one line is our zoom, and you can see our two different keyframes. So what we can do is go ahead and highlight both of those keyframes and then select this one right here for ease in and ease out. So now if we play this back, you can see it's very minor but makes a big difference to make the zoom just look so much better. So if you like this video or maybe it's helpful, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.